Hello friends, in this video we have made a Marksheet, but you can relate it to your project and you can modify the formulas and the fields according to your project. Here we have made the field related to the college or the school, but you can modify it as per your organization or as per your requirement. So the roll number, date of birth, name and subject, total marks, percentage and grade representation. Here we have given a condition like if is failed to any subject, that is going to be the mark highlighted. Like here you can see 62, this is pass mark. If you make it 30, it's going to be highlighted and see the result. It's failed. Control Z. It's showing the grade representation is satisfactory. But on the moment if you make any subject as a fail, the whole result will come to the fail. It doesn't matter how many percentage you get. Like see, he's pass and he have only 53% and the grade representation is need improvements. So everything is we have made with the formula. Let's see how we can do it. We will make a new file, control N. Now let's make a random value. So we can is equal to random between, we'll give 20, the bottom one, and the maximum is 100. And close it button. So you get 22. Just drag this one down and make it freeze this panel. View, freeze, and freeze the top one. Okay, now you can go here, select again this one, go down, click here, and drag till Business Studio. Okay, now what we have to do, this value keep on changing on every time. See, so do one thing, copy these fields, copy, just select it and click on file, copy it and click here, just click on value. So now this is not a formula, now it's a value. Click here, we will make it total. This subject have 100 marks. So we will count, it will count the subject 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 subject is there. So the count formula will give 7. Now we need to multiply with 100. Now it will give 100, 700. So just drag this one till down. Now make a sum, and just select this one till here and close it. So this guy got that much mark. A warning message is showing. It means that next cell also have a number that you can add. Let's see what is telling. Update the formula. See, it's taking the number date. We don't want this one, so just make it here. Okay, do one thing. Select all and click here and ignore it. Okay, now we need the percentage. For the percentage, now the total number that obtained and divide by total marks and into 100. Now this is the percentage. You can do one thing, right click and click on cell format, click number and make the decimal point 2 only. Okay, so it will show only 2 number. Now you can drag it. Okay, now we need to give the formula for a grade representation. This is the grade representation that we will give: outstanding, excellent, good, satisfactory, due to improvement, poor and fair. We will do one thing, we'll copy this one and we'll create one more sheet. We'll make a reference. We will use if else. If this greater than 0, we will use two logic at a time, so we will use AND here. And if this percentage is greater than 0, less than or equal to 39, 39 will be passed, so we will make less than only, less than 39. If this condition is true, what should show? It should show failed. Now we can copy this one and we'll paste it here simply. Now if this one is now this time is greater than or equal to 39 on less than or equal to less than 40, then it should give this one a poor, comma. Now again we can copy the same thing. Here we'll paste it. And if M2 is less than or equal to 40 and greater than or equal to 40 and less than 50, so it should give comma, it should give this, need improvement. Next, again we will paste the formula. Now if it's greater than or equal to 50 and less than 60, it should give comma, it should give satisfactory, then comma, again we'll paste the formula. Now if it's less than, it's greater than or 40, if it's greater than or equal to 60 and less than 70, it should give good, then comma, same, less than or equal to 70, and if greater than or equal to 70 and less than 80, it should give excellent. Again we'll paste the formula. If it is less than, if it is greater than or equal to 80 and less than or equal to, this time we'll give the equal to 100, then should come outstanding, and we'll close the bracket, enter. Now it will come the excellent. Just drag this one till down, and here we forgot one thing. On every, here this one, just make it F4 wherever the reference is there. F4, so that the cell will be blocked, it's not going to be changed. Then now again drag it, you see. Now here is one mistake, if you can see. If this guy is pass, if anyone is get the number less than passing mark, he should show the fail, not as per the percentage. Percentage also need, then he should pass in all the subject. Then what we will do, we will use the count if formula. Now we will use if, then count if, we'll select this range, comma, in double quote, less than 39, double quote, close it, and if it's greater than 0, then we'll give failed, else we will execute this formula. Now we'll close the bracket and enter. Yes. Now just drag this one. Okay, this one 28 is failed, 33 is failed. Let's increase the number, we'll see. Still failed, and 60. Okay, so the formula is working. We can do one more thing. Select this one, and whoever is failed, we will just highlight that cell. Go to the condition formatting, click on new rule, select format only cell that contain, click here the value and between 0 38 and we will click the format. Now we will give this color and okay. If anyone will fail in any subject, the subject is going to be highlighted. Okay, now we can give the border, we can give the nice table. Click here and you can customize the table. Just click OK. Yeah. Now can adjust this one. Click in center. Let's give the passing mark to all the subject for the first one. We will see any changes. It's excellent. Showing an warning message. So just ignore it. Select all and ignore it. If you want to modify the table, click here and you can select as per you. You see, on the moment if you give the passing mark, the result is going to be changed. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friend. See you in the next video.